What up my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just seeing my face for the first time, you are so welcome. And today's video I am going to be showing you a very good effective remedy to remove belly fat rapidly. Now this remedy does not even waste no time. It is just going to flatten your belly like so quick. Alright, so if you want to know what the remedy is gonna be, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. So if you want to ask me any questions, personal, curious or beauty questions, or you want to buy some natural beauty ingredients, you can do that on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. Also check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. Like, I need to see you there. The link will be at my description box, so go subscribe to that channel and let's be friends. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. The first ingredient, guava leaf. Now I got this from guava tree just close to me. Alright, so you can get this around. If you have a guava tree, you can pluck this. Guava leaf extract is so potent that it has the potential to treat gastric, stomach cancer. Consuming guava tea in an empty stomach remove cholesterol. It also promotes weight loss. It also removes belly fat. To drink an hygienic tea, we're going to be plucking in the guava leaf into the water, and we'll make sure to wash and clean properly. And after washing thoroughly and making sure that it is clean, I'm going to be transferring that into a clean pot. Now you can make this tea with a dry guava leaf or fresh one. I would prefer the fresh one. And the next ingredient, ginger. Ginger ultimately treats cold, catarrh, lower cholesterol buildup, and it removes stomach fats. It helps for loss of appetite and is very perfect for motion sickness and it relieves pain. Consuming fresh ginger would help to detoxify the body, removing excessive belly fats, and it also trim down the body. For the ginger, I would like to peel the peel of the ginger a little, so I'm gonna be scraping this. Alright, then I would go wash it. Alright, then I'll be right back. After cleaning up the ginger, then I will be cutting this into pieces. Alright, now I will be transferring this into the guava pot. The next ingredient, green tea. Consuming green tea improves the brain functions. It balances the body system. It helps for fat loss. It lowers the risk of cancer. It contains antioxidant nutrients that have powerful effects to the body. It's loaded with vitamins that help the system function properly. It also helps to cleanse the colon and it's perfect for belly fat. We're going to be needing just one bag of green tea, and I would like to remove this and let the green tea bag into the pot. And the last ingredient, we are going to be needing lemon. Lemon contains antioxidants and vitamin C that promotes cells from oxidative damage. Getting enough vitamin C helps the immune system keep cold and flu at bay. Drinking lemon water ensure the body to get sizable amounts of vitamin C, and it's also reduce belly fat and is very perfect in removing general body weight. For the lemon, I just finished washing and I just need only half of the lemon. Alright, so I'm gonna be cutting it into pieces. Now for the record, this is our local lemon. It is usually green, unlike the foreign lemon, which is always lemon in color. So I'm gonna be squeezing in the lemon juice and dropping the zest into the tea, into the pot. So we're gonna be needing 2 glasses of water. This is a big teacup. All right, so I'm gonna be putting that into the pot, and this is the second one. Now let's go boil our tea on the fire. So the tea is now ready, and I'm going to be leaving it to cool down a little bit, but of course I can still strain out the tea and keep it. Alright, so you can make it and store it in your refrigerator like this. So I'm going to be straining this with my strainer into the glass cup, but of course for it not to pour all over everywhere, I'm going to be putting it into a mug cup first. Okay, so here is the tea. Let me transfer it into the glass cup so you can see the color. And this is how it looks like. So here is my tea, and it's cool. Now I can take it. Now you can take this tea morning and night. All right, you can take it in an empty stomach in the morning. All right, you wait for about 1 hour and then you eat. Then you can take it in the evening before sleeping. Now as long as you're taking this tea, you don't need to eat heavy in the evening. Okay, so you have to eat light and let this tea like perform its magic on your body, because it's going to remove all those unwanted excessive belly fat. All right, so alright guys, so that's just a very smart way to remove belly fat overnight. Now every evening you take this tea, you are going to be losing some fat, like so much of it, and before you know it, your tummy is just going to be flat, and eat less also in the evening. All right, so the tea can perform its magic because you're not going to be feeling hungry after you've taken the tea. So if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions, personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. And also you can check out for natural beauty ingredients on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. Alright guys, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful, dream. Bye guys.